Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to learn something new in this chapter and the topic is shell, structures and functions. So let's start. You have already learned that things around us are either living or non-living. Further, you may recall that every and all organisms carry out certain basic functions. So, in this chapter, you shall learn about the basic structural unit and organ, which is the cell. Yes, which is shell. Shell may be compared with bricks. Bricks are assembled to make a building, and similarly, shell are assembled to make a body of the every organisms. Yes, we are using brick. We are using brick for assemble a building. When we are assemble building, then we are using brick one by one, stacking on one by one and assemble wall. Then after so many walls are connect together and it's become a building. Same procedure in this shell function. Shell one by one it's connected each other and then after they assemble a one body organisms. So first topic in this chapter, discovery of shell. Yes, discovery of cell. Cell discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed slice in cork under a simple magnifying device. Cork is part of the bark of a tree. He took thin slice of cork and observed them under a microscope. Yes, Robert Hooke firstly took one slide for observation. This slice is three slice, and he is observed under microscope. Yes, microscope is one device for observation of scientists and all, which is using microscope for seeing so many micro things. And he noticed partitions on boxes or components in cork slide. He noticed one thing: the partition boxes in that slide. These boxes appeared like a honeycomb. These boxes appeared like a honeycomb. He also noticed that one box was separated from the other by wall or partition. Yes, he noticed one thing: that all boxes are separate for each one. Hooke coined the term cell for each box, and Robert Hooke is coined for the term these partition boxes is shell. What Hooke observed as a boxes or shells in cork were actually dead shells. Yes, there is so many shells are available and so many boxes are appear. But Hooke decide that the boxes are dead or not undead. Actually, that all shells are dead because the slice is cut from tree and it's not living functions. Cell of living organisms could be observed only after a discovery of improved microscope. Yes, cells of living organisms could be observed only after discovery of improved microscopes. So many before so many time, microscope and so many other technologies are not available. On that time, we are using only simple glasses and all. And now technologies are so many improved. So using microscope for every project. Very little was known about the cell for next 150 years after Robert Hooke's observation. Yes, so little people are knowing about the cell before discovery. It's around 150 years ago. People do not know about shell. We know a lot about shell structure and its function because of improved microscope